am right now at the exact spot where the militants struck yesterday on tourists, in which 26 people lost their lives in Pahalgam Valley. You can see the visuals where there is a complete, siege that has been laid by the security forces. The whole area has turned silent, as there is no tourist in this area. There was rainfall a few days before, and you can see this whole area has turned mud, and these are the shoes of the tourists who were running for safety. And this is the route that is being used to reach to this picnic spot of Baisran in Pahalgam. Due to heavy rainfall, the route has turned muddy, and it is completely difficult for people to walk. So they use horses and ponies to reach to this location. And if you can see behind me, this is the dense forest area where the militants have attacked a group of Indian tourists, leading to the several casualties and multiple injuries. The Indian authorities confirmed the death of 26 tourists from different states of the country. Even the Union Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, also arrived this location to look at the the situation over here. You can see the massive destruction and the scenes you can imagine from this. These are the shoes of females, children's who were running for safety when the militants attack them in this location. This is a beautiful meadow of surrounded by the forest, and a small picnic spot just behind me. If I can show you the visuals, the picnic spot is just behind me, as the security forces deployed here are not allowing to take visuals really close to the gate of the picnic spot. But you can imagine, surrounded by the beautiful meadows and huge dense forests, this location is located above several hundred feet from the sea level, and nearly you have to trek about 8 kilometers of all through these very tough terrains to reach here. Now these scenes and the destruction over here and the very tough terrain shows that the struggle of the people who were attacked by the militants. They were running for safety. This whole area is being under tight cordon, and combing operation is being carried out by the choppers, and the Indian Army is looking after the whole operation here. However, the Indian National Investigation Agency also has taken up investigation in this matter. Irfan Qureshi from Baisran, Pahalgam, Kashmir.